U.S. indices ended 2023 higher, with the Santa Claus rally delivering this year in way of price action. It wasn't only the U.S. indices. Commodities also performed relatively well, with gold and the metals rising into the close of 2023. U.S. indices started the week lower, with investor sentiment slightly shifting. The U.S. dollar index moved higher, putting negative pressure on the price of commodities and the price of indices. Furthermore, escalation in the Middle East may also be weighing on the price of indices, as threats of an expanded war seem to be looming. The tensions in the Red Sea have also continued to rise, as major shipping giant Maersk saw another one of their ships hit by Houthi rebels after trying to restart shipping operations. Nvidia stock moved lower with the rest of the markets, although investors will be keeping a close eye on the company ahead of the annual Consumer Electronics Conference, CES, on January 9, 2024. The conference is an annual event and is said to be the biggest technology event of the year, according to reports, with the conference having a reach of 13.5 billion impressions on Twitter in 2023. According to reports, Nvidia is set to release some of its newest and most advanced graphics cards at the conference, which could change investor perception of the company. The defense manufacturer hit its highest levels since August 2023, with the company price peaking at $462 a share in Wednesday trading. With escalations in the Middle East continuing as a buildup of military equipment in the Red Sea from both the United States and Iran continue, the risk of wider conflict continues to rise. Lockheed Martin is a key fighter jet manufacturer for the United States and plays an integral role for the U.S. military. Crude oil prices continued to remain volatile. Oil prices dipped below $70 a barrel in Wednesday trading before rebounding back above the key support level. On January 1, 2024, the OPEC+ states began cutting oil production in accordance with the commitments they made at the previous OPEC+ meeting, taking even more supply of the global markets. Supply disruptions in the Red Sea route are also causing issues of supply, and the commodity could continue to remain volatile. Gold prices fell in Wednesday trading as the US dollar index rallied of its multi-month lows. However, the instrument has still received favorable coverage, with analysts at JP Morgan suggesting that the price of the instrument could hit a new all-time high of $2,300 an ounce around mid-2024. With the escalation in the Middle East likely to persist, and the U.S. Federal Reserve still maintaining a dovish interest rate stance, these factors could cause further volatility in the instrument. Palladium prices continue to remain volatile, with the metal's price closing Tuesday trading at $1,100, its lowest since mid-December. Chinese data continued to disappoint with weaker-than-expected services and manufacturing PMI data for December printing. The disappointing data continued to weigh on palladium, although analysts still widely expect Chinese economic data to improve in 2024. China itself has pledged to increase fiscal spending in order to stimulate the economy. The USD-CAD pair rebounded after hitting multi-month lows. The currency pair saw a rebound as the US dollar index pushed higher, while weaker oil prices weighed on the Canadian dollar. The currency pair could continue to see more volatility ahead of key US data this week, with NFP and unemployment set to be reported on Friday.